In last lecture, we have covered numerical sound resultant of concurrent force system and non-concurrent force system. Here, see the example, that is determine the tension in the cables BC and BD and the reaction at the balls and socket joint A for the mass shown in figure. See the A, B, C, D, these are the 4 points which are given, and their corresponding locations or the coordinates are given on the diagram. So these are the coordinates. A, which will be at the origin, so that's why 0, 0, 0. So B is 0, it is acted along the z-axis, so that's why 0, 0 and 6. C is acted along the x-axis, that's why 6, 0, 0, and D is equal to -3, 6, 0. Now here we need to calculate the capital. We have to prepare this table, that is forces capital X, Y, Z, L, cos theta X, cos theta and cos theta Z. So for the X, Y and Z value, for the FBC, FBD, RA and F. So for the FBC, to get the X, we need to calculate by this expression, that is Cx, means X coordinate of C minus X coordinate of B, that is 6 minus 0 is equal to 6. Y is equal to, capital Y is equal to Cy minus By, and Z is equal to Cz minus Bz likewise. So we are getting this value 6, 0, minus 6, minus 3, 6 and minus 6. See, we have to calculate this capital XYZ for the members itself. RA and this force is not a member. So FBC, so we can calculate their length by L is equal to under root of capital X square plus Y square plus Z square. So from that expressions we are getting L is equal to 8.485 and the corresponding cos theta X is equal to X by L, that is 6 by 8.485, that is 0.707. Cos theta Y is equal to 0 by 8.485, that is 0. Cos theta Z is equal to minus 6 by their length, that is minus 0.707. Same for the PD, that is minus 3 divided by 9, 6 divided by 9 and minus 6 divided by 9. See, RA is acted along the positive z-axis, that's why their cos theta z is, the value of the cos theta z is unity, that is 1, and as it is acted in the vertical upward direction, that's why positive plus, and remaining 2 are 0. F, which is acted along the negative z-axis or the towards the negative z-axis, that's why we will be having the cos theta y minus 1 and remaining 2 are 0. So once you prepare this table, so for the equilibrium numericals, put the conditions of equilibrium, that is summation Fy is equal to, Fx is equal to 0, Fy is equal to 0 and Fz is equal to 0. So by putting our first condition, that is FBC, Fx is equal to 0, we will be having the equation FBC into cos theta x plus FBD into their cos theta x, RA into their cos theta x, F into their cos theta x. See, so we are getting this expression, that is 0.707 FBC is equal to 0.333 FBD. Give the equation number 1. So Fy is equal to 0. So FBC into 0 plus FBD into 0.67 plus RA into 0 minus 1 is equal to 0. So FBD is equal to 1.49. Now we will put our third condition, that is summation Fz is equal to 0. Again, minus 707 FBC, that is minus 0.61 FBD plus RA is equal to 0. So R is equal to 0.707 FBC plus 0.61 FBD. Give the equation number 2. So the FBC is equal to, as we are getting FBD is equal to 1.49, we will put this value over here and we are getting the FBC is equal to 0.702 kilonewton. Now once you get the FBC and FBD, we will put this value in the equation number 2 and we are getting the RA, that is 1.49 kilonewton. So this is all about the equilibrium of non-coplanar concurrent force system.